So for the past few weeks, I've been thinking about just freeing yourself from the oppression of other people. And what I really mean by that is letting your mind be entangled about what people would think of what you are doing, how you are living your life, as if they actually have a huge impact on who you are as an individual. No, your decisions, the choices you make, how you want to live, the people you want to be around, the individuals you want to interact with, this is all up to you. At the end of the day, all right, when it all boils down to the bottom of the barrel, this is your life. This is your life, and you can't be walking around trying to please people. It's just one of those things that I personally have struggled with my whole life, but as time goes by, I'm getting better and better. If you get caught up in it, where you care so much about other people's opinion, other people's perspective, what they would think about what you are doing, you tend to hold yourself back. And it only puts a lot of stress on you, not the other person that you imagine is thinking about what outfit you're wearing outside, or how you say things, or what your ideas are, and does it even matter? It's so irrelevant, right? And you really can free yourself from those chains. You are free to act the way you want to act, especially in America. Like, we live in a free country. At least that's what we would like to believe, right? So the main thing that I want you to be aware of is that people are people. They're going to do what they want to do. Not everyone is supposed to like you. Not everyone is going to love you. Not everyone is going to agree with everything that you do. And actually, that's a good thing. I don't know why people think that's a bad thing. People are not supposed to agree with everything you do, because then the world will be the same thing, right? I mean, we have some obvious facts that we can all agree on, but majority of your ideas and your opinions and your perspective about certain topics of society, or whatever the case might be, is just not going to be in alignment with certain people. And some people are just going to not like the things you do and how you approach life, just as much as you don't like everybody. And that's okay. That is the beauty of life. But you cannot let people stop you from getting to the places you know you need to get to, right? The dreams that God put inside of you, those big callings that's inside of you. You know this, and I don't need to tell you. If you have it, you have it. You're cognizant of the fact that this is what I believe to be true about myself. This is what I believe I'm destined to do. Go prove it to yourself and forget about what they think. Most of them are going to be dead in a couple of years. Anyway, all of us are not going to be here in a few years. It's so irrelevant. Stop thinking about what they're thinking and start focusing on what you're actually thinking about yourself. I think it's more important that way. That way you can also become a person that thinks for yourself. Because if you're so worried about what people think, then it's like your actions are really being altered and adjusted just to please people, right? But if you are acting based on what you see for yourself, and I want to make sure you know that it has to be legal, and try your best to be ethical and moral as much as you can. But overall, if you are doing those things and you're not trying to hurt anyone, and you're not trying to cause any chaos, and trying to be a decent citizen of society and doing your very best, why does it even matter about what people's opinions are? If you let that stop you, there's only one person that is going to regret when it's all said and done. It definitely will not be me. I know that. That will be you, right? And you don't want to get to that place before you figure it out. This is your life and your life alone. Like this morning, if you're watching this video, I clearly didn't call you, right? So if you care about what I think of you and what you are about to do in the day, that's a waste of time, because I clearly don't care about you. I'm not saying like I don't want people to do well. I want people to do well. But ultimately, it's about you and what you want to do. Maximize every opportunities in your day and go out there and live according to you. Not what they think, because who cares? All right.